how to track a daily workout using a fitness app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to track a daily workout, what you can do is simply launch the fitness app. Here I've used Google Fit. So let's launch the Google Fit application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, in order to track a daily workout, what you need to simply do is you can see the option of your daily goals. Tap on your daily goals option and then simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select on the title. So let's see, we are going to add on steps. Tap on activity over here. You can select whichever activity. I'm selecting walking, and then you can select the duration over here as well, and you can see the distance, energy expanded, and so on. So you can simply tap on save. So as you do that, what happens over here is you'll be able to set a daily limit for your workout, and then you can go back and here you can see the limit. So you can simply track yourself and your daily workout using this fitness app right over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.